Did you know that the major secret to becoming a millionaire and be financially free is to have multiple streams of income? And to change your life, you have to start from somewhere, just like all the millionaires did. That is why today in this video, I'll be telling you about 7 side hustles that you can do right now to make money from the comfort of your own home or wherever you are, and start the foundation to build up those income streams and earn the financial independence that you really deserve. I won't be showing you to spend all day doing surveys or any spammy apps out there, but these are legitimate ways that brings real money without upfront cost to get started. I have done them myself, or I have hired people to do them for me, and I know people who are really making a lot of money each month using just a computer or a mobile and an internet connection. Hey guys, it's Tina. I am a digital marketer, web developer, and a software engineer who is also passionate about helping others find and create financial independence through side hustles. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video about side hustles. Driving right in at number 1 is selling printables. Printables are things that you can either print yourself at home or use them without printing, like worksheets, all sorts of templates, planners, checklists, invitations. This is one of my favorite side hustles because you only create and list the product at one time, and then anyone can purchase the product at any time. So this creates like a passive income for you. A passive income is just like you do the work once, and then people are just going to be buying, and then you get money without doing extra work for it. So with this side hustle, you also don't need to send it to the customer, as they always get it immediately after purchasing. And you can make up to $1,000 a month selling printables online. It is free and easy to set up and get going. You do not need to be a designer to create these printables. You can use Canva for free to create your designs. I always learn anything that I want to learn here on YouTube if I don't know how to do it. So you can also do the same. You can sell these printables on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. As of me, the best place to start is Etsy, because there on Etsy there are already people searching to buy these products, so you don't need to do much marketing to get some sales. Selling digital educational products. Gathering information is the first key to developing the best philosophy of your life. That is why people all the time go online to learn new things every single day. That's where this side hustle comes in. Whatever skill you have, there's someone out there who wants to learn how to do that, trust me. You don't have to be an expert to create and sell something like an online course, apart from researching and knowing more on that particular subject. So all you do is pick a topic, whether language, gardening, cooking, personal development. Do your market research to identify gaps in the market for that particular topic you want to teach, because you really need to know your ideal customer and if there is enough demand for that topic you chose. All you need to do is put all you know about that topic, everything that you have gathered, the information that you have read around online and everywhere else, and then you need to put it in a course without stressing on how you will sell this course. You can just use online services just like Skillshare or even Udemy to market your course. Many people go to these sites every day to look for courses to buy. All you do is just upload your course and they will take care of everything else. The next one is selling your own handcrafted product. You can turn your skill or passion into a living, you know. Just start by thinking about what your skills are and how they could be transferred to something that makes you money. For example, if you're great at sewing, you could make embroidered products or provide tailoring services. Let me tell you something if you can't even think of anything right now. There was a time that I could not find skincare products that suited my skin. So everything I tried was causing me some issues on my skin. So I started doing some research online. I bought some books on skincare, and finally I managed to make my own skincare products that are best for my skin just through the information that I learned. And I turned that into a side hustle. So I sell these products to friends, family, and I also have some customers in my local area. And it brings me a couple of $100 every month. So if I can do that, anybody can do it too. The information is out there. All you do is just to find the right information. And remember that to change your life, you must start from somewhere. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button below, and that helps me to identify which topics you guys like so that I should create more videos around that. Up next is Social Media Manager. Social media has become a powerful marketing tool in connecting marketers with current and potential customers, with 91% of companies now using it, according to statistics. For this reason, more companies are looking for social media managers to manage daily tasks like writing posts, staying up to date with trends, interacting with their customers on their social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the others. According to Glassdoor, the average pay for a social media manager is $55K. That's about $4,500 every month, which is not bad at all. You can find these jobs on so many job sites, just like Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, Reed. Next is becoming a virtual assistant. There is a very high demand of virtual assistants, and on Upwork alone, there are more than like 9,000 jobs posted as of today. This includes jobs like data entry, co-assistants, generating monthly reports for companies, and many more. This job starts at entry level, so you don't really need to have some experience at this level, as all you'll be doing are basic tasks, and you can earn up to $550 per project. So doing just 2 projects, you're already at $1,000. Just like the previous job, you can find this job by searching on Google. Just make sure you research the company very well so that you don't get scammed by doing free job without getting paid. Next one is starting an affiliate marketing business. So this is when you refer or recommend or sell somebody else's product or service and earn a commission out of that sale. This is another one of my favorite business models, as you do not need to create your own products or even offer any support to customers. All you need to do is just promote the product, and then once it sells, you earn the commission. You can make up to $3,000 per day as a beginner with this side hustle, and it depends how much time and effort you put into it. There are many affiliate programs that you can register with, such as ClickBank, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, just to name a few. And other products are easy to convert. All you do is just market their free 7 or 14 or 30-day trial to customers. Once someone signs up using your referral link and become a paying member, then you get a commission for as long as they are a member. So every month you're going to be getting that commission. Now that's passive income right there for you. It's so sweet, trust me. You see money coming in into your account every month for products that you promoted long time ago. Try it and you'll never look back. Moving on, dropshipping business. This is where you buy a product cheaper and sell it at a higher price. So all you do is keep the profits. Just like maybe you buy it for $30 and then you sell it for $50. So you keep the $20 as a profit for you. This is one of the low risk, profitable way of making extra income, because you don't need to get worried about managing the inventory or product fulfillment, and you do not need to spend any money upfront either. You can make between $1,000 to $10,000 a month with dropshipping in your first year with a good traffic source. So you just make sure that you choose your products very well. You just need to make sure that the products that you are trying to sell, they have like a good profit margin. All you need to do is to find what products people are looking for to solve their problems. Find a good supplier, then market the products either through social media or your own website, and you make your money. Freelance writing. Many businesses are looking for people to write their content contents such as blog posts, articles. You can find high-paying freelance writer jobs on websites, LinkedIn, ProBlogger jobs. But if you are just starting out, I think it's better for you to build up your portfolio first on Upwork or Fiverr, then move on to the others after building up your portfolio. You can earn up to $30 an hour doing part-time from the comfort of your home, according to this Indeed job listing. At People Per Hour, people are charging up to $750 per project. So which of the 7 side hustles is your bank account calling for? Please let me know in the comment box below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so that you will be notified when I post a new video about new side hustles. And remember, if you don't start, nothing will change for you. So start now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.